Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of Convoy Launch Week. Today, we're introducing on-the-fly events and meta events on Convoy. On-the-fly events is a way to send webhook events with a single API on Convoy. Instead of you making separate API requests for endpoints for subscriptions. Today, you can now make this request with just one API call. All you need to do is add the same endpoint details, subscriptions config, and event details to this single API call. And there you have it. Events with just one API call. Now, talking about meta events simply helps you to listen to events based on your events on Convoy. So, if you want to know the status of every event that you sent, you can also have an endpoint on Convoy that sends you a notification based on the activity of all of these events. So you can know when events fail, you can know when events are pending, you can know when they are in their retry state, you can know when they are even successful, so you can take actions on what to do. Let me show you how that works. So I'll be using my Postman to test on the fly event. All I simply need to do is specify my event details, which is the same set of details you'll be specifying for the normal endpoint, and also my endpoint details. You can also add subscription details as you choose to, but without specifying one, we create one for you by default. So my event type and payload data, endpoint and my endpoint details, and go on to hit send. Now the event has been created successfully. All I need to do is go to my Convoy dashboard and see the event being sent. And on refresh, now I have my event successfully sent. And on opening my event, I should see the event delivery attempt and necessary details being sent. To test meta events, we're going to have to turn on meta event first. So you click turn on meta event, enable it, then add a URL. And you can specify your endpoint secrets. If you have any, I'm going to leave mine as empty. And you can say, oh, let me know when an endpoint is being created and when an event delivery has been successful. That should do for now. Save changes, go on to my meta event, and now I'm going to send another event on the fly and come back to see my meta event. Now I have a meta event success, and then I can see the request details, the request header, response header, and response body. With that, you have meta events that sends you webhook events for every webhook event. And that will be it for now. To follow us on our launch week journey, please visit launchweek.getconvoy.io. Bye for now.